Hi guys, welcome to this piano tutorial. The last time we taught on how to play C major scale. So as I told you people earlier that I'm going to be showing you all the 12 major scales and the fingers to use in playing those scales. So we are continuing with the lesson. Today we'll be on the key of C sharp. So this is the scale of C sharp. So the first thing you want to take note is C sharp is the next key after C. You know, the last time we taught on. So now we are on this key. So this is C, this is C sharp, this is D, this is D sharp, this is E, F, F sharp, G, G sharp, A sharp, B, and C. Now we continue with the C sharp. So I don't want to waste your time in this lesson, so these are the fingering. Your index on the 1, or do your middle finger on the re, your thumb on the mi or 3, your index again on the 4 or fa, your middle finger on the 5th also, your ring finger on the 6th or your la. You cross with your thumb again, which is your T, and back to the 1 with your middle finger. So this is it. Coming back, you repeat the same thing. Your middle finger, your thumb, and then you cross with your ring finger. See how I did it? So you use your thumb on the 7th, you cross with your ring finger on the 6th, middle finger on the 5th, index or second finger on the 4, your thumb on the 3, you cross with your middle finger or the 3rd finger and the index on the 1. So on your left hand, this is what you do. You start with your middle finger, your ring finger rather. You start with your middle finger, your index on the 2, your thumb on the 3. Now you cross with your ring finger on the 4th, your middle finger on the 5th, your index on the 6th, your thumb on the 7th, and your index on the 1. Going back, index 7th, thumb on the 7th, your index on the 6th, your middle finger on the 5th, your ring finger on the 4th, on the third, index on the 2, and your middle finger to the 1. So this is it.